Welcome back to the first room we took on when we first moved in our 209-year-old house, and also welcome back to a project we started 2 years ago but never finished, and now is the time. Welcome back to another video, and as you can see we are in our bathroom, and plan of this year is to redo the whole thing. And in this video, we're gonna get started by removing the ceiling. And that is exactly what we did in that video. On September 2024, yes, you heard that right, 2 years ago, we started on to the project called Bathroom.
So 6 years ago, when we actually did the bathroom the first time, our knowledge and skills were a lot less than they are now. And we decided 2 years ago to redo the bathroom again, starting from the top, going down and redoing all of it. And that started off with taking down the chimney and the stove, which we didn't use, and it just took up unnecessary space and unnecessary hole in the roof. And also it brings a lot of cold in the house. So we decided to get rid of it once and for all to have a lot more space for a future bathtub, because this giant stove was unnecessarily large and really not efficient, as in it wasn't working at all. So we had a lot of things to do, but in the craziness of doing the whole bathroom, we got really into unrevealing this wall and opening it up for the first time, that we just kept going and didn't realize how much effort it will actually take to close this back up and actually to get it to be a functional looking bathroom.
And as the colder was coming faster than we thought, we had to rush and finish at least the ceiling so we can have a ceiling back in our bathroom. Then the next step would have been to rip out the floors in the bathroom and the hallway, but we were not expecting the weather that we had. We had a really muddy season and early cold, which kind of stopped the work for the bathroom. Plus we had a lot of other projects to finish off, such as our extension tower that we had built that year had to be finished off, and doing this whole bathroom would be more expensive than we thought. So we ended up canceling it for that year and moving it to 2025.
So this is going to be the first big project that we're going to do in 2025. It's our bathroom. It was an emergency in summer, and whenever we got started and started ripping out the ceiling, we did an amazing job with the ceiling. I really love it. And we took down the chimney, which had to be done in warm, dry weather. That is nice and done. But then we kind of slowed down since we had other things we were doing, such as the tower, and also the moisture kind of disappeared. Since we removed the stove, the moisture was able to just go in there in the concrete and leave. So we not have had any wet floors at all. The tiles are falling off in the shower, but it's still usable, it's still working. It's just a giant mess. Welcome to part 17 of the bathroom.
Part 17? Welcome to part 1 of us redoing a bathroom. And no, we are not jumping around jobs. We have an enormous amount of things to do. And this bathroom is calling for help. We cannot shower. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? But
I can see the tiles.
We lost our tiles. And this bathroom is currently representing very well my mental state. It's falling apart. There's so many jobs to do. And we know that we have to do the bathroom. And now it's like really calling for it, because we can't shower. The tiles fell off. We have been trying to push away the bathroom project for way too long. If you have been following us for a while, you probably know for how long we said we're gonna do the bathroom. We started in September last year with a motivation that for Christmas we're gonna have a bathroom redone. That never happened, as you can tell, because, you know, shower was still fine. We were still able to shower. And that's why the reason the floor looks awful, because we teared off the stove that was over here with, like, we were like, leave it. We didn't put a tarp, we didn't put anything, because we're like, we're gonna redo the bathroom. I don't know where that idea went, but yeah, long story short, welcome to a new series of us redoing the bathroom. Of course, we're gonna be working on the tiny house. I don't know in which order the videos will go, how far we're gonna be at the tiny house. Currently, it's also raining. It's gonna be raining for 3 days. So good timing there, bathroom, because we can't do anything outside. So it's like, you need something to do, so fix me. So the whole point is we wanna do as little as much as possible with as little as possible budget, because our dream bathroom is gonna cost us a lot. And the reason why we haven't done our bathroom is because it's an enormous not so much financial, but the work that we have to do. We want to remove the pump. Over here is our water pump, which we want to remove in the mudroom. And to do that, we also want to have heating floors, which means we have to tear apart our whole hallway, meaning that we're going to lose water in the whole house. And that's kind of also the reason why we've been pushing it away, because living in a house with no water is a struggle. Living without a toilet, without a shower, you can find a way around, but no running water for I don't even know how long that's going to be. That's why we haven't done it. But yeah, so that's why we want to do just a bare minimum. We do have a bathtub. Have we mentioned that? I think we have mentioned one of the Christmas vlogs that we bought a bathtub, so we might be putting that in. But in this video, we are just gonna be tearing everything apart. So first things first, we're gonna get started is by removing David. The reason why the tiles didn't fall off, he wanted to redo it because we had a kind of like, since like 2 years now, water has been leaking from here behind, and David has been trying to keep silicone in. So he was trying to remove the silicone, and by removing the silicone, the tiles fell off. So these ones are
Don't take the tiles off yet.
Those are holding on.
Take the glass away.
We want to first take the glass off. Let's remove the shower, and I want to mention the yellowness on the glass is the mineral-rich water that we have. It's all the minerals and caulk. We have been trying to clean it, but it does not wash off so easily.
It's also matte, that's why it doesn't wash off.
It's also matte, yeah, that's why.
If it was like a flat glass, it would wash off easy like a mirror.
Yeah, it's like a very weird matte.
It's textured.
Yeah, it's textured. That's why it doesn't clean so easily. And yeah, it's not dirt. It's just minerals and caulk, I think, and some other minerals that are in the water. Nothing bad. All good and healthy. Our water is fine. So yeah, let's, I guess, deassemble the shower.
And see what lies underneath the mess.
Yeah, and just...
Maybe a lot of things are leaking there.
Okay, let's just put the camera on a tripod and just get on with it, because I want it done as fast as possible. If I knew that that's going to be breaking, I would be taking a longer shower yesterday and enjoying it instead of rushing my shower. Oh. Okay, let's get started.
For a 79 euros?
For 79 euros, it lasted real good.
The only downfall was the bottom cracked everywhere.
Yeah.
Which also could be the cause of water leaking.
Maybe.
A lot of things might be leaking.
It was just 6 years ago when we put it up.
Just 6 years ago.
Okay, well that is a forever goodbye of a shower.
I think so. But it
Our
doesn't...
bathroom is actually pretty big. This shower closing, maybe it looks smaller. I didn't not see that. I was filming and looking the top. Oh no. And when you think things cannot get any worse, here they come.
Uh-oh. Silicone is strong.
Okay, go. Oh goodness. Take it. Okay.
Oi, oi, oi. We're going back.
No, I mean, there was no going forward either without tiles. There's a saying in Greece, we say in the front is like going down, like downhill, and in the back is a big river. So it's like either front or forward. There's no going back or going forward. It's like, I don't know if there's an English saying for that, like if both ways are not going. Let us know if there's a saying like that. But as David said, there's no going back. But as I said, there's no going forward either. We couldn't go anywhere with it as it was. So there's also no going back. Oh, thank you.
Did you say you want to rip this off?
Nope, nope, nope. This is staying. This volunteeringly left. Wow.
Just like the same old cheapy concrete that they used on the wall. Same old cheapy thing as they use everywhere. On everything. I think. I don't think tile glue is that weak. Here it's really strong, so... What happened to this one? No, that is on quite good. I'm not sure if it's coming off.
Careful. Oh,
Yeah.
what?
That is soft.
What?
That is beyond soft. That's clay.
It sounds and feels
It's like a sandcastle.
like Play-Doh. Can you see that? Like it's literally like Play-Doh sound. Like those kinetic.
Yeah, I'm really not supposed to get this.
Oh god. Why did I break it apart now? I'm gonna clean it.
Yeah. What are you playing with?
Wow. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but that is rough.
That is the reason why it was popping off. Oh, there's my pipes. I have a suspicion that the pipe is leaking.
Probably. I mean, what else
More
will be
than-
leaking?
There's hard bricks behind, at least not clay. Really? No, it's supposed to get this.
Really?
No, it's supposed to get this. Makle.
Really? What happened?
Makle.
Really, what happened to the shower you never use? Because you're scared of showers. Shot. Finally, that thing is gone.
There's just smelly stuff. Yeah, take that away. That's quite heavy. Does that fit through the door?
Nope. Okay, so as you can see, we have removed the shower bottom.
Nice reveal. Okay.
Okay, now we gotta remove more tiles, remove the woods probably, right?
The wood, so we can clean up then on
the floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we gotta keep going with the cupboard and everything else after that. I think we need to insulate the water pipes coming in. If we wanted to stay here even for this summer, the condensation on the pipes or the pipes themselves are leaking, I can't tell. So we opened it up and we revealed quite a big mushroom around the siphon, so it means that that thing has been leaking as well. There's a puddle down there and a sludgy. Then that pipe is all leaky and it's all wet in that corner and this wood is all wet. So I'm pretty sure everything that could leak is leaking, just not to amount like that's a lot, just dripping. Which is not good, all of it adds up quite a bit. And there's a quite a mushroom growing and it smells heavily like mold. So again, thanks to Basecamp for providing these masks, which are really comfortable and I'm smelling absolutely nothing. I was actually getting pukey first time when I revealed it. How bad it was smelling. And can't believe that we've been showering and living in this bathroom that long with that smell. I mean, it wasn't smelling before until I opened it all up. But that's not good, that's not healthy. So we're dealing with it and we are taking our precaution by wearing a mask. And if you're interested in the mask, check out the link in the description. If you also want a nice comfortable mask for everyday kind of use for small jobs like this. Well, I don't think this is a small job.
No, that's not that small of a job.
Let's get on now, remove this siphon, remove all this wood, clean up the tiles and start clearing up further into the floor. This is going to be a lot of demolition in one video.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
They say that the black mold is a bad mold. I don't know about this one, but it does
This looks like algae.
It does smell quite moldy. Not anymore because we're wearing a mask, but before, oh wow.
Ah, these are screwed together.
I'm terrified of what's gonna be under.
How did we screw it together and where?
Did we? Just try to remove it.
No, I know it's together.
Okay, take it all together. Does it matter?
It's very heavy.
Throw it out the window.
Oh, I took the water. Wow.
Yeah, that's what I was scared of. Oh, no, don't show that to people.
People are gonna have a heart attack with what we've been living with and showering in.
But that has not been smelling.
Yeah, I guess not.
Whoa.
That is no good.
Wow. How much of that do we want to share with the internet?
Open me the door, please.
Go away. Bad boy. My family's gonna get a heart attack.
How is it this bad? I mean, I guess water.
But has it been leaking like almost since day one?
No, not at all. That started happening way after, I think.
But like quite a while ago. We've been pushing that project too far, I think.
Yeah,
We should have done the redo just as soon as the tiles popped up 2 years ago.
Yeah, at least like the basic redo.
Yeah,
just
what
put
we wanna
the
do
tiles
now.
back on and fix
Well.
the water problems.
Okay, well,
Okay, let's get on with this thing then.
That's quite
And
bad.
rip this floor out because this is, yeah, we need to have it drying as well.
Okay.
We're on like a time stretch.
I was scared about that.
Worse than you thought.
That is a bit worse than I thought.
Okay, we're good. So.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Almost like when we moved in.
Almost, not yet. Give it a bit. So as you can see, we have gotten that far, and does look like we haven't made much progress, but most of it is gone. Now we have no shower and no sink. Still have a place to do our doo-doo. But now that the wood is gone, now that most of the furniture is gone, it doesn't smell so strong. The smell is kind of a lot less. Still got to rip out the floor, get all that sheet away, and get all this out of the way. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you're enjoying this series. Don't be too harsh in the comments, but let us know your criticism still. It's very appreciated. And,
But not too harshly. Be kind and motivate us instead of demotivate.
Yeah, we need motivation,
not demotivation.
not demotivation, because we have a lot of things going on already in our heads. Just let us know your criticism in a kind way and your suggestions what to do. But yeah, that's kind of it with this video. I hope you're enjoying it, and we're gonna see you in the next one when we rip out furthermore, and it's gonna be just a bare bones room with absolutely nothing almost. We're kind of doing this quickly, so
yeah. Well, we are gonna still continue. It's just gonna be for you. Next video, we are not leaving it like that for any longer. We are keep going. Just for you, it's gonna be.
So
for
we're
the
gonna
next
finish
one.
this video today, because the one we're gonna start now, next one, is probably not gonna finish quickly either. So hope you enjoyed. See you next time again. Bye bye.
I'm not enjoying it. Hope you are enjoying it.